Welcome, gentlemen, to a breakthrough session in reclaiming your vigor and vitality. Ever felt sidelined by erectile dysfunction, thinking it's just a part of aging? Think again. Today, we're unveiling natural, groundbreaking solutions that not only address erectile dysfunction, but also boost your overall male health. We're talking about increased energy, improved cardiovascular health, and a rejuvenated sense of well-being. No more reliance on temporary fixes or feeling like you're in this alone. Stay with us as we guide you through simple yet powerful strategies to revolutionize your health and reignite the spark in your life. Let's embark on this transformative journey together. 1. Understanding erectile dysfunction. Gentlemen, erectile dysfunction isn't just a personal issue. It's a common health concern. Studies show that ED affects about 50% of men over 50. Today, let's gain a deeper understanding of erectile dysfunction, ED, focusing on two critical elements: smooth muscle and nitric oxide, both fundamental in maintaining a healthy erectile function. 2. The smooth muscle in ED. Let's delve into a crucial aspect often overlooked: the role of smooth muscle in erectile function. Smooth muscles are the muscles in your penile tissues responsible for erection. They relax to allow blood flow, leading to an erection. According to the Journal of Sexual Medicine, the health of these muscles is vital. If they're weakened, maintaining an erection becomes challenging. Strengthening them is key to combating ED. How do we strengthen these smooth muscles? The answer lies in a combination of nitric oxide production and lifestyle changes. Nitric oxide not only improves blood flow, but also aids in the health of smooth muscles. Diet plays a pivotal role. Foods high in flavonoids, like dark chocolate and berries, have been shown to benefit smooth muscle function and overall vascular health. Research from 2017 similarly found that eating more fruits, vegetables, and flavonoids lowered the risk of ED in men ages 18 to 40. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish like salmon, are not just good for your heart, but also for your smooth muscles, aiding in maintaining their elasticity and function. Targeted pelvic exercises can also aid in strengthening these muscles. Kegel exercises, for instance, although more commonly recommended for women, can also benefit men by enhancing smooth muscle strength and erectile function. Plus, excess weight and smoking both have detrimental effects on smooth muscles, reducing their effectiveness. 3. Nitric oxide, a vital molecule in erectile health. Nitric oxide is another hero in this story. It's a molecule your body naturally produces, and it's crucial for erectile function. Nitric oxide triggers the relaxation of smooth muscles, allowing for increased blood flow necessary for an erection. The challenge with ED often lies in reduced nitric oxide production, which can be due to various factors, including lifestyle choices and underlying health conditions. How do we boost nitric oxide naturally? Nasal breathing isn't just a relaxation technique, it's a nitric oxide booster. A study in the American Journal of Respiratory and Critical Care Medicine highlighted how nasal breathing increases nitric oxide delivery to your bloodstream. Incorporate regular exercise. It's not just for physical health, but also boosts nitric oxide secretion. Research from 2018 found that moderate to intense aerobic exercise for 40 minutes a day, 4 times per week for 6 months, helped reduce ED. This includes exercises like running, brisk walking, bicycling, swimming, and skiing. Diet matters. Foods high in nitrates like spinach, beets, and lettuce are your allies in this journey. A 2020 study found that men who more strictly followed a Mediterranean diet or Alternative Healthy Eating Index 2010 diet had a reduced risk of developing ED. 4. Best 5 natural supplements to boost nitric oxide. As we delve deeper into enhancing erectile function, let's explore the top 5 natural supplements known for their ability to boost nitric oxide levels, each with unique benefits. Icarian. Extracted from the horny goatweed plant, Icarian is celebrated for its positive effects on sexual health. It's believed to function by increasing nitric oxide levels, thus improving blood flow. Studies suggest Icarian also supports the health of smooth muscles in the penis. Tongkat Ali. Also known as longjack, Tongkat Ali is an herbal supplement from Southeast Asia. It's renowned for its potential to enhance male sexual health. While its primary fame is for boosting testosterone levels, it also contributes to the production of nitric oxide, aiding in better erectile function. Fenugreek. This common kitchen herb is more than just a flavor enhancer. Fenugreek has been found to have positive effects on sexual health. It's thought to help in increasing nitric oxide synthesis, which is key in managing erectile dysfunction. Citrulline. Citrulline, often found in watermelons, is an amino acid that plays a significant role in the nitric oxide pathway. It's converted into L-arginine in the body, which then boosts nitric oxide production. This makes citrulline a potent supplement for enhancing blood flow and erectile health. Nettle root. Nettle root, commonly used for its anti-inflammatory properties, also has benefits for erectile function. It's believed to assist in increasing free testosterone, which indirectly supports nitric oxide production and improves erectile health. 5. Lifestyle changes for better health. Stress isn't just a mood killer, it directly impacts your sexual health. Cortisol, the stress hormone, negatively affects nitric oxide production. A 2019 study found that stress was one of the main predictors of ED, in addition to anxiety and depression. The study suggests that chronic stress may affect testosterone or cause sleep deprivation, which may contribute to ED. Yoga, meditation, and hobbies can be powerful stress busters. Address sleep-related issues. Quality sleep is vital for overall health and sexual function. Research from 2019 also indicated that people with a sleep disorder had a greater risk of developing ED. Other research has linked obstructive sleep apnea to an increased risk of ED. Not getting enough sleep can lower your testosterone levels, which may contribute to ED. Sustained lack of sleep is also associated with conditions related to ED, like diabetes and high blood pressure. Conclusion. As we conclude today's discussion on natural solutions for better health, we'd like to draw your attention to a special opportunity. We've partnered with a top-tier supplier of men's health supplements, proudly made in the USA. These high-quality supplements come with a remarkable 180-day money-back guarantee, ensuring your complete satisfaction. But here's the key. These supplements are in limited supply. They're for men who are ready to take the lead in their health journey, for those who strive for excellence and demand the best. Don't miss your chance to be part of this select group. Act now, visit our affiliate links in the description, and step into a world of enhanced health and vitality. As always, we recommend consulting with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you have existing health conditions or are on other medications. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative and helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on men's health and wellness. Your support means the world to us, and it helps us to continue providing valuable content. Stay sexy, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.